Vigya Vastu and Astrology Studio, a one-stop shop for Vastu and astrology enthusiasts, and for those seeking Vastu and astrological advice and guidance to improve the quality of their lives. A brainchild of avid Vastu and astrology expert, Shikha Makhija, who has an expertise in this field for over 18 years. At VVNA, we conduct regular courses in Vastu, astrology, and also provide consultations online as well as in person at very affordable rates. Even our courses are par excellent and at very reasonable rates. Regular webinars are hosted on astrology and Vastu by experts in the fields of lights. Experts in these fields like Sir William Lawrence, Sir Dinesh Sir, and on our YouTube we share many great astrologers who come and do short sessions with us for free. Thank you. Do connect to us on Facebook, Twitter, and various other platforms, especially WhatsApp.